Hi everybody, Doug Moranci, COO and Business Development with PREP, and we are here at our new location, which was formerly the Cordon Bleu, and I'm going to give you a tour. We're about to finish up construction and get some cleaning done this week, so here we go. Over here you see the Schuler Institute farmed kitchen, bar, and plated. And those are Chef Schuler, who was instrumental in Le Cordon Bleu. Took this front space, a beautiful restaurant in there. As you see, we have our signage up. Address is 1927 Lakeside Parkway. And now we're going to head inside. Beautiful landscaping out here. Actually a very beautiful building. Hey Jay.
Howdy.
Give you our access control so everybody's nice and secure in here. So this was the front lobby, which was transformed from something from the 80s. And Jason Moss, our architect, always has wonderful ideas. So this is going to be a very nice atrium and lobby with nice seating, which as we walk through the building, I'll show you where some of that furniture is. So people who came to Le Cordon Bleu will recognize a lot of the components that you're looking at. So we're gonna take a peek in the window of farmed and plated. So this has been completely redone, brought up 20 years in the last year. Beautiful, just opened. You're going to be hearing a lot about this. How many of you walked through these doors many times? So here we go into the kitchen area. Lots of construction stuff happening here. Really just some final cleaning and touch up, and these will be ready. Back here, we're going down our food truck hallway. This is actually one of the kitchens. This was one of the classroom kitchens, which was divided in half to make room for the food truck units in the back. How's it going?
Hey!
So along the back here, we have our food truck units, which are just about complete. Nice high ceilings in here. And this hallway is all food truck units accessible to the back parking lot where the food trucks will be parked. So we're going to go back over to the other kitchens. Lots of hallways in this place. That goes to the dock high loading area and some extra storage walk-in coolers and things like that. This is one of the kitchens that's still available. It's not been modified yet. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Doing well, thanks. Lots of windows. These kitchens have a lot of visibility, a lot of light, a lot of exterior windows. This is another kitchen that has not been taken. These are the reach-in coolers that will be in all of the food truck units and in the kitchens. All right, if you want to follow me. This kitchen is already activated and in use by PREP Kitchens. So we have a new concept here for a shared kitchen. This shared kitchen is a little bit different than what we have at PREP 1. There's common equipment in the center, and we'll go completely around this room. However, these are the stations, and these stations are dedicated. So there are 10 stations in this kitchen, and 10 companies will work out of this kitchen. So this is a shared kitchen environment with dedicated kitchens. So each of these stations will have an under-counter refrigerator, prep tables on both sides here. Here we have our dishwashing area with the dishwasher about to be installed. Each station, in addition to the under-counter, has a double-door refrigerator and a single-door freezer. And those are located in very close proximity to the station itself. Again, in here, lots of outside lighting, natural light coming in. This is the cook line. The equipment's being installed today. Tilt skillet, steam kettle, stoves, char grill, flat top. It's a huge hood. There'll be banks of convection ovens here. On the other side, the same setup. More convection ovens, more stoves, char grill, flat top. Very nice growing tilt skillet. That's a workhorse mixer right there. So here we're looking at some stations. Again, there'll be a low top reach-in, 2 prep tables. This is another station. This one's an L-shaped station. So these stations could be your new cubicles. The nice thing about it, this is a creative environment. There will be 10 companies working in here, the same 10 companies. So everybody will get to know each other and work together. It's a really great creative environment to be in. This is where you can start your new business. This kitchen can accommodate bakers, manufactured food products, consumer packaged goods, most anything you can think of that you'd want to produce out of here. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching, and we will have more updates. Our website is www.preplateside.com. prepatl.com. That's PREPATL.com. And give us a call for more information. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.